Now BNB is moving ahead, and as per my own idea, due to BSC scan coins, BNB will even surpass Ethereum soon. But what about BSC altcoins? Are they worthy to hold or not? Definitely. Once the BNB reached all-time high, it will definitely affect all the altcoins which are on mainnet on BSC. But you must have to check everything before buying any BSC scan coin. And in this video, I will share a coin which will be even bigger than YFI, or even you can say it will also be bigger than BTC in near future. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us. Feel uninvited. Seed of Life is a new coin on PancakeSwap exchange. I will also tell you that how you can purchase this coin, and also you can check out the contract address of the Seed of Life, and only 100 seed coins are over there. But before that, I will share that what is Seed of Life all about. The Seed of Life is a sport network, community and charity for the people, by the people. That is basically the best thing. Here you can also see for the people, by the people. The entire idea of this project is that they are doing something for the people, by the people. And basically the team started the project in the hope that they can reach out and support those who need it most, those who don't know they do, and everyone in between. The Seed of Life is more than just a crypto, it's a collective. The team had the priority starting this project to provide a space for men to be heard. Men are 3 times more likely to commit suicide. 87% of the homeless community are men. Only 36% of the referrals to therapy are for men. With 1 in 8 men experiencing mental health problems, the chances are you've been directly affected by the struggles that come alongside them, or know someone who has. Joining the crypto space, you are likely aware of how quickly communities can grow, and that is why the Seed of Life community wanted to use that opportunity to break the stigma around men's mental health. The entire vision of the Seed of Life as a sacred concept encompasses all things living, and the team is going to be damned if they are not going to do the utmost in bettering the lives of the brothers. Here you can see the white paper of the entire token Seed of Life. And the best part about the tokenomics, that it is a deflationary currency. There is a 10% fee with every transaction, of which 5% is for the proportionally distributed to holders. As an incentive to hold, 5% is added to the liquidity pool in order to stabilize the seed as much as possible. The purchase capacity, how you can purchase the token, call it diamond hands, call it hodl, call it whatever, we call it sticking with it for the long run to reach out as many people as we can. This is the major vision of entire team of the Seed. Now I will tell you that how you can purchase the coin. Simply I will share the link of the main contract address, so you can easily just, you have to copy this address, and then you have to go on the PancakeSwap exchange. You have to connect your wallet, and after connecting your wallet, you have to basically paste the contract address, which I will share in the description of this video, and also I will share the link of the website so you can read all the things. After basically adding it over here, then you have to increase the tolerance up to 7 or 8. Right now my tolerance is about 8%, so you also have to go for 8%. Now if you are going to buy it with 1 BNB, you will get about 0.77 seed coins. Only and only 100 seed coins are over there, and the team is growing rapidly. As per my own idea, this will be a new YFI token in the crypto space very soon. What you think, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.